Welcome to our complete guide on UML diagrams. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, we'll show you how to master the unified modeling language using Lucidchart. Before we dive into the diagrams themselves, let's establish a foundation. Understanding the history and purpose of UML is essential for any technical documentation project. What is UML? Unified Modeling Language. It is a standardized modeling language consisting of an integrated set of diagrams developed to help system and software developers specify, visualize, and document artifacts. To use UML effectively, you need to understand the two primary categories. Let's look at structural versus behavioral diagrams and how they differ in their representation of systems. This is our overview of structural diagrams. They offer a quick look at class, object, component, and deployment diagrams, focusing on the physical and logical organization of the system elements. Next, we have our overview of behavioral diagrams. This is a quick look at use case, activity, and state machine diagrams, which visualize how a system responds to internal or external events. We also need to consider the interactions subcategory. This is where sequence and communication diagrams fit into the behavioral family, specifically detailing the timeline of messages between objects. How to choose the right UML diagram. You need a framework for matching a diagram to your specific project phase, ensuring you select the tool that provides the most clarity. Now that you know the types, let's ensure your diagrams are professional and readable. We'll cover common UML notations and standards to keep your team aligned. Follow these best practices for UML diagramming to ensure your models are easy to read. Focus on one goal per diagram and always prioritize standard notation over custom styling. Getting started with UML in Lucidchart is simple. Just enable the UML shape library, choose a template to save time, and start dragging and dropping components to model your next great system. Now you're ready to build. Head over to Lucidchart to start your first UML diagram and accelerate your development workflow today.